Hello boys and girls, this video is going to show you how you can use your camera app on your iPad, which is right here, to take a picture, and then when you're done taking your picture, how you can write words right on top of that. So first of all, open up your camera app, and next find something you're going to take a picture of. Oh, there's my dog Bowie. Ready, Bowie? Say cheese. All right, so I took a picture of my dog. You can view your picture right in your camera app. It's right here. Click on that. It's important when you're taking a picture that the lighting is good. You want to make sure that you have enough light. Maybe it's sunlight coming in windows or a lamp that you're turning on. So the picture is nice and bright, and also hold your iPad steady so it's not going to be blurry. Now that I have my picture taken, I am going to write words so I can label my picture of my dog. I do that by clicking on this word edit. Edit is E-D-I-T. And when I click on that, there are lots of things all around your picture, and we'll get to those another time. The one you need right now is this circle with 3 dots. Click the circle with 3 dots, and you're going to come to this word that says mark up. And it looks like a little pencil or pen image. So click your markup, and you do have to hit OK. My photos are all set to be live photos, and that has to be turned off. So I'm going to hit OK. Now my tools have all popped up. This is where you can choose a tool to do some writing. So the first tool right here, if I click this one, oh, there I go. It's already in yellow, so I'm going to just write down my dog's name, Bowie, in yellow, B-O-W-I-E, okay? If I do not like how I wrote that word, I have an eraser. So I'm going to click my eraser. I'm like, I don't want that one. And I'm going to just do some erasing. There I go. Get rid of that. All right, so that was the eraser and that first tool. The next one is a marker. All right, so maybe I want to write Bowie on there, and look what a marker does. It's a lot thicker, and maybe I like that. If I don't like what I just wrote, all right, I can also go to this undo. So if I hit that back arrow, it will undo everything I just did. So your choice. Then you also have this tool, and I'm going to look. Ooh, that's really thin, okay? I don't think I like that. All right, I'm going to go with the marker. I like that. And I'm going to write Bowie right across, right? There I go, B-O-W-I-E. And I'm going to have it say my dog. So I can choose colors that are already picked, or I can come over here and I can choose my colors by a grid. All right, so all of those colors. I can do spectrum, which kind of gives you lots of different shades. And if I go to sliders, all right, it kind of gives you the different, I don't know, colors. If I like that, I want a red slider. I don't know. I'm just going to come over here to spectrum and maybe find a color in here I like. Maybe it's that one. And when I tap that, I'm going to add it. So if I ever want to come back, it's right there for me. Okay. All right. So Bowie, and now I have my dog. Okay. So that is how you can use all of those different tools. All right, now here's another one. This pen right here, or pencil, that has some lines on it, you can use that to circle, like say, I want to change the color of that word. And notice that when I circle it, the line captures everything inside. And maybe now I'm like, I don't want it to be yellow, I want it to be green. Well, maybe I want, oh, black, I can't see that. Maybe I want it blue. Maybe I want to go to my colors, and I'm going to go to my grid. Maybe I want it to be in white. So this is where you can decide what you want to change your color. All right, let's say I'm done with that one. I have to hit done. Oh, well, it already clicked off. One more tool that's kind of cool is this ruler. If I take this ruler and I have to use 2 fingers, that ruler is a great way of drawing straight lines. So I'm going to move it right up above him. Maybe I want to draw a box around him. if I go right across, look at that, I can draw a perfectly straight line. I can use 2 fingers and I can turn it right there. Maybe I'm going to draw my line going down, and then I'm going to slide it over, and I'm going to finish. So maybe I want to draw a box around him. Okay, then I'm going to hit done. All right, so that is how you use your camera app. Take a photo, hit edit. Once you're in edit, the circle with the 3 dots to do your markup tools. When you're all done with it and you like it, you hit done. And now, if I click out of my camera app and I come here to my photos, I can see that the very last picture I took right here is of my dog Bowie, and I used my tools to write the name Bowie, my dog. I can change the color, and there's also a ruler that I can use to help me draw straight lines. So boys and girls, this is a great tool to use if you have an assignment in school, maybe math, and you need to take a picture of a shape, and then you can use your markup tools to label all parts of your shape. So again, use your camera app and hit edit and find your markup tools so you can write words over the pictures that you have taken.